So we're on Miyajima.
Yes.
On Miyajima Island. Just heard an announcement about the deer saying, especially the ones with antlers, avoid them. They're saying they become aggressive in mating season. And then we have this as well. This area is 3.5 meters above sea level. Beware of tsunami. And on this island there is a big mountain there. So that's where we're headed. There's a tsunami warning. Or out on the ferry, I suppose. But they probably wouldn't run it. There's a beach over there. But there's supposed to be a big red Torii gate. Hashtag Torii gate, that's what this is. Marie gate. It's a repeat of the Trevi fountain incident. It's all under wraps and being fixed up, so we're not going to see the Torii gate. But yeah, we just came across the island on a ferry, and it took 2 Shinkansens.
Local train.
So it was the 2 Shinkansens got us to Hiroshima.
Yeah.
And then we took the local train to another little town, which took about 30 minutes. And then we got the ferry across to Miyajima. That's recording, isn't it? Yeah. So I forgot to say, we just had some squid and it was lovely, but it was really hard to eat. And at the end, I just put the bag down with the squid in it. Obviously, we took it to the bin a minute later, but I had to put the bag down because we were approached by a deer, and I was just like trying to grab everything so we could walk away. And before I could pick the bag up, the deer had got it in his mouth, so I did snatch it back from his mouth because they're not supposed to eat plastic. As you can see, the deer is just chilling and watching the tour guide. Which one were you looking at? Oh, this one here?
Just like, it came over from there. Just went straight for the plastic bag. It's coming for you.
This is the Torii gate that Marie brought us here to see. It looks really nice, and it looks like the tide might come in all the way up to here. It'd be great to stick around one evening and see. It's amazing. As you can see, this is what we're missing, and according to the voiceover on the boat, when the tide's in, the gate just, well, I guess it sticks up out of the water. Not so lucky with the drums this time. Wow, this is like the first place we went to. I don't know if you can see this on the film, but the bridge is really steep. And here's a different view of that bridge. It must look amazing here when the water's in. Oh, they will change money at the cashier. But yeah, I just wanted, what do they, so they call these gachapon, but they also call them pod something, or? Anyway, just wanted to film these because they look really high tech. Oh, and this guy, we saw him on telly the other day. He appears to have a bump for a face.
Yeah, we're sort of considering that as well.
Yeah,
it's not furnished, but the castle itself is quite spectacular.
It's spectacular.
And the gardens are actually very beautiful.
That pricing, 1,000 yen for the castle, or 1,040 for the yen of the castle of the gardens. You bought the gardens as well, and they were very, very nice.
We'll check that out. Thank you. Well, it's good to have enthusiasm for the old ropeway.
Amazing, yeah. He lives in Silicon Valley. He was near San Jose, and I said, I hope it's a little bit cooler there. He said it's 97. So stayed in onsen. Is that on your itinerary at all?
Well, we're probably going to go for the very sort of happy shopper version of the onsen. There's an onsen theme park in Tokyo, in Odaiba, so we might go for that.
That sounds good.
Yeah, so we'll give that a bash. Are you doing that at all?
We did 2 nights of that when we were at Miyajima. Everything else has been 3-star hotels. That was the one night we splurged.
Nice.
It was a wonderful experience, but I've got to say that I wish I'd done it sort of when I was younger, when my knees weren't bugging me.
Right.
You're sleeping on the ground and you're sitting on the ground to eat. And
That's it.
on the ground, opened up the paper door, got back up, kneeled on the other side, and I said, "You're lucky you have young knees." And she said, "Actually, they're killing me."
It's just the performance.
Just refreshingly on.
That's it.
Please focus your attention out toward the sea. Spreading out in front of you is a panoramic view of the Seto Inland Sea, taking you on a skywalk through the beautiful island. On a clear day, you can see clear across the mountain range. The mountain we are climbing is called Misen, and is the highest peak on the island at 535 meters. 1,200 years ago, the Buddhist priest Kukai came here to find enlightenment. Several monuments and ruins from that time can still be seen today. The Reikazo Eternal Fire Hall houses a holy fire that Kukai used for training. The fire, which continues to burn today, became the source of the eternal flame of peace, and Peace Memorial Park. In 1996, the primeval forests of Mount Misan and the Tsukushima Shrine were together designated a World Heritage Site. Enjoy your stay as you take in the magic of Mount Misan.
Here we go, nice announcement.
お客様にご案内申し上げます。本日の上り便は大変混雑していますので、今後下り便につきましても同じく大変混雑することが予想されます。Easy congestion is also expected on your way down. Passengers in a hurry are encouraged to avoid areas of particular. Walking far from the station toward the Misan summit or other areas may cause you to
With 1.2 million citizens, this is one of the big cities of Japan. It's the first city to suffer atomic bombing in history, is well known worldwide and exerts a certain influence as an international city of peace. How'd you think? Just recording this brief clip to get the sounds. There's a bird that sounds like the mockingjay from the Hunger Games. And a train just pulled in. A train must be coming.
この列車は4秒で到着します。The local bound for Kyoto via Hiroshima will be departing at 18:33 from track 3.
Okay.
This train consists
566 departing at 19:22 bound for Shin Osaka is arriving at track 14. Please stay behind the yellow line on the platform.
Is that us?
This train has 8 cars. Car 8 is at the front of the train and car 1 is at the rear. The green seats are in car 6. Cars 1, 2, and 3 are for